Examples of the application. Leadership behaviors are listed here as being directive, supportive, participative, achievement-oriented. Subordinate characteristics and task characteristics. The leadership behavior impacts the subordinate characteristics, which are impacted by the task characteristics. Subordinates are supposed to move along a path which is fueled by motivation to get them to their achievement, which is their goal. The motivation can be impacted by all three of these components: the leadership behavior, the subordinate characteristics, and the task characteristics. Example of an application. The goal in this example is for surgical technicians to decontaminate, assemble, and sterilize surgical instrument trays in an efficient, productive, and timely manner. The subordinates are surgical technicians. The obstacles are inefficient lighting to see debris, washer malfunctions, autoclave malfunction, and unscheduled subordinate absences. In this example, the leadership behavior that would need to be chosen would be supportive. The subordinate characteristics are unsatisfied, need affiliation, and need human touch. The task characteristics are repetitive, challenging, and mundane. Surgical technicians should be motivated to perform the goal, which is for surgical technicians to decontaminate, assemble, and sterilize surgical instrument trays in an efficient, productive, and timely manner. This is an example of the application when you plug in all of the different components. You have the surgical technician, which is the subordinates. You have the obstacles that were previously discussed: inefficient lighting to see the debris, the washer malfunction, autoclave malfunction, and unscheduled subordinate absences. And then you have the goal, which is for them to clean, decontaminate, assemble, and sterilize surgical instrument trays in an efficient, productive manner. And then you have the path goal leadership, which is to define the goals, clarify the path, remove the obstacles, and provide the support. Question that I have here, my first question that I would like to pose to the class is, path goal theory is useful because it continually reminds leaders that their central purpose is to help subordinates define their goals, and then to help subordinates reach their goals in a most efficient manner. Can you give me an example from your current work in which leaders have been successful in defining goals and helping subordinates reach their goals in a most efficient manner? The second question that I have is, the path goal theory suggests that it is important for leaders to provide coaching, guidance, and direction for subordinates to help subordinates define and clarify goals, and to help subordinates around obstacles as they attempt to reach their goals. Do you believe that over time, this kind of leadership could be counterproductive because it promotes dependency and fails to recognize the full abilities of the subordinates?